Obviously, totally nuts is the new normal. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And it is Monday, July the 27th. And wow, what a day. Markets are taking off to the upside, exploding higher. The metals are exploding higher. It's an amazing feat we're watching here right now. But again, first of all, this tells me that there's some sort of announcement coming out relatively soon. We thought that last week. It hasn't come yet, but just look at what's going on. We look at the metals first. I mean, gold made an all-time new high, and it's still there. It's probably going to make a new all-time print high as well, or closing high, excuse me. So again, silver is flying, platinum is higher. I mean, we're along all three, so it's a good thing. Okay, equities are flying. I mean, Nasdaq's up 160 points or so. The Dow is up 180. The S&P's up 25. The Russell's up a ton. I mean, we're along all four, so that's also a good thing. But again, it's totally crazy. There's something going on underneath the surface here. It's not the day traders from Robinhood that are driving this market like this. I'm telling you, there will be some type of news item that's going to come out. I would not be surprised if it had to do with the Fed and the central banks. We'll see. In the meantime, bonds are higher slightly, and notes. Copper is slightly higher, but again, whipping back and forth as we've seen. Net gas is a little bit lower. The dollar is getting pulverized, which we're short, so it's all good. I mean, so far it's all good. All of our positions kind of match what's going on in the market, right? But again, the point is that we're seeing moves that are not normal types of moves in any kind of market, which just tells us there's something else probably driving this that will eventually hit the tape, and then you'll see some type of movement. Now, what will that do? We don't know. But this could be, and it's starting to look like potentially a final blow-off to the upside. Now, again, we're not predicting, as you know. You know what we do. We just strictly trade the algorithm, watch it, and not worry about it. But again, this is creating some major action. Crude suddenly, after trying to push higher, again failed. And again, I do believe, although we're long crude, this area up here, the 41, 42 level, is not going to hold. It is going to go lower. And I expect it to turn, and I expect our signal list to turn soon, so we'll see what happens. In the meantime, Friday, we had the cattle on feed, which we said here would probably be neutral bullish. It was neutral bullish. Fats and feeders are both a little bit higher. Not as much, but again, the price action beforehand told us that the report was going to be bullish, so it was not a total surprise. Where we're going to go from here, well, we'll see. We've got some key levels to hold if we do pull back, but we could go up to new highs in the meats as well. And then, of course, hogs just turned slightly positive, but we're still short them. Again, I think an updated day will probably reverse that, but at the end of the day, until then, we short. And the grains, corn just turned a little bit lower, just minuscule. The beans are slightly higher, and wheat is under pressure once again. You've seen this kind of rotation every other day. All that's telling us the lack of liquidity, the lack of action. And again, we're still short corn and beans and long wheat. We'll see how it plays out. In the meantime, again, just be careful. I mean, look, there's things to do. There's action out there. It's up to you to be careful, okay, and know your exits. In the meantime, I can't wait to get the recording from Family Farms today, be able to send that out. Anybody who wants it, let me know. What a great relationship that's going to be. And of course, our brokerage partners are unbelievable, second to none. And again, I've got many brokerage accounts at other account places, but where I focus at, CTG, Letter of Direction Trading, they handle my futures portfolios. They've got some great new products. They've got great customer service. So that's who I want to take care of me, the stuff that I'm not doing myself. Trade here. Again, $10 a month, how can you beat it? Okay. Plus the fact that you're getting the exact same as you get all other places, okay? And you're not paying for it. Why would I want to give my money to somebody else when I can get it for $10 a month at Trader? Doesn't make sense, and they've got great customer service. Again, we only get involved with people that give service to the customers, okay? In the meantime, Andy Heck's commodity report, unbelievable, okay? Right on top, spot on this gold move, spot on all the moves. Check it out if you want to take a look at it. You can go to BUBBATrading.com. It is technimental. So BUBBATrading.com, and just look for the report Technomental, and it's available if you'd like to subscribe to it, either monthly or yearly. And of course, our high school program, which we're trying to rebuild for the fall, if we're going to go back to school. But that's Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.